Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you few vocabulary words and phrases with idioms that you can use in your writing and speaking exam. Also, it will help you in your reading and listening. So keep watching the full video, and I will discuss 10 vocabulary words with meaning and example sentences, 10 phrases and 10 idioms. So let's start the video without any further delay. And firstly, we will discuss what is advertising. You all know that advertising can be in any form, like a picture, short film, song, etc., that try to pursue people buy people to buy a product or a service. So let's start. So here we have first vocabulary word, that is brand awareness, the extent to which consumers are familiar with a particular brand. For example, the company's latest ad campaign significantly boosted its brand awareness among young consumers. So basically, when companies are successfully aware the people about their brands, that means we can use word brand awareness. Next we have target audience, which is also clear meaning by itself. Target means a specific group of people that an advertisement is aimed at. For example, this new smartphone was designed specifically for the target audience of tech-savvy millennials. Next we have consumer behavior, the habits or tendencies of consumers that influence their buying decisions. For example, understanding consumer behavior is crucial for developing effective marketing strategies. Next, we have call to action, a prompt in an advertisement urging the audience to take a specific action such as buy now, sign up. We can call these one call to action. For example, the advertisements a call to action sign up today was prominently displayed at the end of the video. Next we have endorsement. This is really a good word and you can see in your reading and you can use in your writing exam. When a celebrity or public figure promotes a product or a service. For example, a famous celebrity's endorsement of a product led to a massive increase in sales. Next we have product placement, the inclusion of branded products or services within movies, TV shows or other media. For example, the movie was filled with a subtle product placement like the character drinking a well-known brand of soda. So basically product placement is the advertisement that intentionally or unintentionally impact on people that we watch in movies or TV shows or in other media, where there is a particular brand is shown uh, in most of the scenes, or we can say they intentionally put that product in a movie or TV show. Next we have ad campaign, a series of advertisements centered around a particular theme or a message. For example, their latest ad campaign focuses on the environmental benefits of using their products. Next we have market saturation, the point at which a market is full of similar products, making it hard for new products to succeed. When there are already like a market of similar product, then a new product came, and so it's to hard for them to get succeed. So that word we have, that when then we can use this word market saturation. For example, the smartphone market is facing saturation with many brands offering similar features at comparable prices. Next we have brand loyalty, the tendency of consumers to continue buying the same brand of goods and services. For example, brand loyalty is what keeps customers coming back to the same product year after year. Next we have banner ads, advertisements that appear in rectangular boxes on websites. For example, I find banner ads on websites quite intrusive, but they effectively catch attention. Next we have phrases catch the eye to attract someone's attention. For example, the bright colors and bold text in the advertisement catch the eye of potential customers. Next we have captivate the audience to hold the interest of the viewers or listeners. For example, the innovation use of animations in the commercials captivated the audience from start to finish. Create a buzz to generate excitement or interest around a product or a service. For example, the teaser trailer created a buzz on social media with everyone speculating about the new product. Next, we have go viral to spread rapidly online through social media and other platforms. For example, the company's clever advertisement went viral, reaching millions of people within days. Next, we have influence consumer decisions to affect the choices that consumers make when purchasing products. For example, reviews and ratings online can greatly influence consumers' decisions, especially for expensive products, because then people always check their reviews and ratings online so that they can make a good decision. Next, we have leave a lasting impression to create a memorable impact that stays with the audience. For example, the ad's powerful message about sustainability left a lasting impression on viewers. Next, we have mass appeal, a product or service that is attractive to a larger audience. For example, the new sitcom has mass appeal, attracting viewers from all age groups. Tap into emotions to evoke emotional response in the audience to strengthen the advertisement's impact. For example, the charity's campaign tapped into emotions by showing the real life impact of donations. Next, we have word of mouth, the process by which people share information about products or service with others, often considered the most effective form of advertising. For example, word of mouth is still one of the most effective forms of advertising, especially in small communities. Next, we have craft a compelling message to create an engaging and persuasive statement that appeals to the audience. For example, the marketing team spent hours crafting a compelling message that would resonate with the audience. Now let's start the idioms. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Visuals can convey message more effectively than words alone. For example, the company used a powerful image in their ad because they knew that a picture was worth 1,000 words. Hit the target to successfully reach or appeal to the intended audience. For example, the ad campaign hit that target by appealing directly to the interests of the intended audience. Next, we have pull out all the stops to make every possible effort to achieve a goal, often used in the context of advertising campaigns. For example, they pulled out all the stops for their new product launch, including a celebrity endorsement and a nationwide tour. Stand out from the crowd to be noticeably better or more attractive than others. They pulled out all the stops for their new product launch, including a celebrity endorsement and a nationwide tour. Next, we have push the envelope to go beyond the usual limit, often in terms of creativity in advertisement. For example, the innovative ad pushed the envelope by using augmented reality to engage viewers. Next we have make a splash. To attract a lot of attention or to be very successful, often used when an advertisement or campaign has a big impact. For example, the company made a splash with its new line of eco-friendly products, generating lots of media coverage. Get the ball rolling. To start a process often used when launching an advertising campaign. For example, the launch of the new ad campaign got the ball rolling for the company's rebranding efforts. Next we have take the world by storm. To become extremely popular or successful in a very short time. For example, the viral ad took the world by storm, become one of the most shared videos of the year. Catch someone's eye. To attract someone's attention, especially in a subtle or unexpected way. For example, the minimalist design of the ad caught my eye as I was scrolling through the website. Bells and whistles. Attractive features that are added to make something more appealing, often used in the context of advertising to describe additional elements that make an ad stand out. For example, the new car commercial included all the bells and whistles from special effects to a catchy jingle. So this is for all for advertising videos. I cover 10 words of vocabulary, phrases and idioms that can really help you in all the four modules and also to improve your in English level. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.